Okay, here's a quick tutorial on how to make these super easy sand anchors for beach umbrellas. Drill a hole in a gamma lid on a bucket. Put the gamma lid on the bucket. Get you a 1.5-inch black pipe or PVC pipe. Put your umbrella post inside there. At the beach, you're gonna dig a hole. What? Then you're gonna insert your bucket. Then you're gonna hold the pipe in the center while you fill the bucket with sand. And then you're gonna screw the gamma lid back on the bucket to keep the pole centered, or the pipe. Backfill your hole a little bit, just to keep the bucket where you want it. Put your umbrella pole in the pipe. Put your umbrella on. Crank it up. It ain't going nowhere. Just as needed. Super easy, convenient, very wind resistant, won't blow over. This is Sand Hollow, Utah, by the way.